Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Khuram. This is Sana. Today's recipe is a fancy food and kids' favorite chicken sizzler. If you think making sizzlers at home is a cumbersome task and can be relished only at the restaurants, then you have to surely watch this recipe to change your opinion about it. The delicious spread of the scrumptious grilled chicken steaks and the colorful array of sauteed veggies with the freshly fried French fries, and when the hot sauce is poured over the butter drizzle piping hot iron plate, it hisses and sizzles to drive you go crazy over it and make you crave to gorge them on. Come join me at my kitchen to enjoy the jazz. For making the chicken sizzlers, first step is to marinate the chicken. I have taken 500 grams of chicken fillets. You can see how flat and thin they are. To this, add lemon juice taken from one medium sized lemon and 1 tablespoon of pepper powder ground coarsely, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix thoroughly and cover it and marinate in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Now take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and once the butter gets melted, add 2 carrots and 4 to 5 French beans cut into strips like this, and add some colored bell peppers, cut them into strips like this and add them and saute them. Add a pinch of salt. See that the color of the vegetables do not change. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and followed by some red chilli flakes and half medium sized lemon juice. Now our sauteed veggies are ready. Keep them aside. Now we can start making the sauce, for which take a saucepan and add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and once the butter gets heated, reduce the flame and add 1 tablespoon of minced ginger and cook till the ginger loses its raw smell, followed by 4 tablespoons of minced garlic. Reduce the flame and fry the ginger and garlic till they lose the raw smell and get that golden brown color. To this, add coarsely ground pepper powder 2 tablespoons. You can see the texture, they're not too powdery, they are coarsely ground, and cook for a while. You will get very good aroma. Now to this, add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and quarter cup of tomato sauce and cook over a slow flame. To this, add 3 teaspoons of sugar. I have added white granulated sugar. You can also add brown sugar in this. Now add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar and cook for some time. And to this, add 800 ml of chicken stock. I had taken 250 grams of chicken pieces. I had boiled them and drained them and added. Now add half a teaspoon of salt. Chicken stock is very important for the taste. To this, add now 1 tablespoon of corn flour mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. This is to thicken the sauce. Now switch off the stove and add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of light soya sauce. Now the sauce is being thickened. We can start making the rice. I have taken celery leaves. You can see. You can replace this with coriander leaves also. Chop them into small chop them finely. Now it's ready. Now this is garlic and herbs butter. You can use this for making the flavored rice. Now take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of this and add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. If you don't have this butter, you can replace it with the normal butter you can replace. Now to this add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. You can use even unsalted butter, the normal unsalted butter for this. Now add chopped celery leaves. This can be definitely replaced by coriander leaves. Even that will give very good aroma. Now to this add cooked basmati rice. This is 1 cup measurement, 1 cup of rice I had cooked. Now mix thoroughly. Now the rice is ready. Now we can start grilling the chicken. Now take a grilling pan and add 1/3 cup of oil. Now place the chicken fillets and flip them to the other side and cook till they get that golden brown color and they are grilled perfectly. You can also sprinkle some red chilli flakes and you will get a very good aroma out of them. Keep on flipping them so that they are done on both sides. Now they are almost done. You can baste some oil on each side and drizzle some light soya sauce over them. This will give a very good aroma and taste. Now they are ready. Keep aside. Now place the iron sizzler plate on the stove top and heat for 30 to 40 seconds. Once heated, carefully place it on the wooden plate and put a dollop of unsalted butter. This is how we are going to arrange it. Now arrange the lettuce leaves. You can also use cabbage leaves if you don't have lettuce leaves. Now place the grilled chicken steaks over them and place the rice. Rice can be replaced even with noodles. If you have boiled noodles also you can use. And place the sauteed veggies. Now you can place some French fries and now you can pour the hot pepper garlic sauce over the chicken. The sauce should be really hot while pouring so that it will sizzle well. Now a yummy-licious chicken sizzler with hot pepper garlic sauce is ready to be served. Serve hot. Friends, please try this recipe at home and let me know the feedback. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Meet you all in my next video. Till then, it is Sana signing off with lots of love. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please write your valuable feedback in the comments box, which will encourage me to give you the best videos in the future. And if you like my recipe and my video, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new uploads. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Thank you all very much. With lots of love, Sana Khuram.